Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to show you how to use papaya to lighten up your skin and also to have that flawless look, glowing effect. Yes, so if you know this video interests you, go nowhere and keep watching. So guys, this is the end result. So you can use it in the morning before you go out or at night before you go to bed, but you can use it like twice or 3 times in a week, or you can use it for a week at a stretch, then afterwards the following week you just chill. So you let it sit on your face for 10 to 20 minutes. Yes, you can sit for 10 minutes, you can sit for 15 or 20 minutes. Then afterwards you wash it out. Just clean your face or your body anywhere you apply it with lukewarm water, not hot water. So that's my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.